Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So basically today we're opening a bunch of Pokemon cards. I filled out the third booklet. I have a new, I got this from the, what's it called? The starter deck thing, if you remember. And yeah, so today we're unboxing one pack. But one pack in Pokemon cards is good, unlike something else. Okay, so this is the one pack of Pokemon cards we're gonna open. Is my first Badlier pack, which is confusing because I've been opening so many other things. And here it is, with the Quaxly coin and the Pawmi family. So let's open it up. Oh no. Okay, yeah, I got it. Okay, I've opened everything. And firstly, let's look at this coin. So this is the coin. It's a Quaxly coin, and it has a golden color. This is just. Then we have a redeem card, and then we have our 3 cards. Pawmi, which is terrible by itself, but actually it's okay because it can paralyze. This is Pawmo, which is the evolution, and this is Pawmot, which is really powerful. It can do 230 damage, which is more than V's can do. It can KO any V, any V. And yeah, this is our pack, and it has this Pokemon, which is the Fueco's evolution. So let's open Paldea Evolve. Okay. Okay, so that's another one. Okay, so first we have Reverse Holo Slowpoke, which is called. Then we have Reverse Holo Calamitous Wasteland. Then we have this I forgot what it's called. It's not reverse. It's Foil Tinkaton, which is the evolution of Tinkertuff. Number 959, the Hammer Pokemon. Basic Dark type energy. Wow, to add to my collection. Cavil, a Dunsparce, a Noibat, a Sprigatito, which is a starter Pokemon, a Honchkrow, a Calamitous Wasteland, which is non-holo. Wow. And finally, to top it off, a Primeape again. This is okay. I mean, we have Pawmot, we have Primeape, we have Honchkrow, we got a starter, and we have Tinkaton, which is good. And then we also got 2 reverse holo cards, which is also good. Now they've really changed their style. Before they used to be a blue kind of, and not a blue border. Now they've turned it into grey. No, not blue, sorry, yellow border. Let me just compare these two. Let me compare an old Primeape to a new Primeape. Primeape number 57. Okay, here. Here. This is Primate. And this is also Primate. And this is how the difference looks. Oh, wait, let me just show you. Primate and Primate. And also, we have a difference in the energy. But I'm not going to talk much about that because every year, or 2 years in the case of the 2020 energy, because of reasons, they changed the energy. But this one is a complete change. I mean, this looks way different than the other ones. So, yeah, that's basically it. It's taken me 6 minutes to unbox 1 pack of Pokemon cards. But, okay. Goodbye, and see you in the next one.